Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the heart of North Indian cuisine with a classic and beloved dish, Chole Bhature. It's a delicious combination of spicy chickpea curry and fluffy fried bread. So, let's get started on this culinary adventure. To make Chole Bhature, you'll need the following ingredients. For chole, chickpea curry, 1 cup dried chickpeas, soaked overnight, 2 large onions, finely chopped, 2 large tomatoes, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. For bhature, fried bread, 2 cups all-purpose flour, maida, 1 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, salt to taste, water, as needed for kneading, cooking oil, for frying. Now, let's jump into the cooking process. I'll guide you step by step. For chole, in a pressure cooker, heat oil and add cumin seeds. Sauté onions until golden brown, then add ginger garlic paste. Introduce the tomatoes and cook until soft. Add the spice mix, turmeric, coriander, cumin, red chili powder, and salt. Let the masala cook until the oil separates. Mix in the soaked chickpeas and enough water to cover them. Close the lid and cook until tender. Sprinkle garam masala, garnish with fresh coriander leaves, and our chole is ready. For bhature, in a large bowl, combine all-purpose flour, yogurt, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Knead it into a soft dough, cover, and let it rest for at least 2 hours. Divide the dough, roll out small balls, and flatten them into circles. Fry the circles in hot oil until they puff up and turn golden brown. And there you have it, our delicious Chole Bhature. The perfect blend of flavors and textures. Garnish the chole with fresh coriander leaves, and serve with the hot bhature. I hope you enjoyed this easy Chole Bhature recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Happy cooking!